Hi, how are you going? Thank you so much for dropping by. I really appreciate it. Today we're doing the nasolabial fold exercise for Exercise Along With Me Series 5. Now these are the nasolabial folds. These are the marionette lines. Okay, so this exercise is the nasolabial fold exercise. Okay, so when we place our fingers over the nasolabial fold, we place them right across the nasolabial folds from the corners of our lips. Okay, so what we would do is this part of our knuckle we'd place across the corners of our lips, then we would lay our finger right across the nasolabial line, and you can see that the finger goes past the nose. Okay, and that's okay, because basically what you do is the first part of your finger, the first knuckle, you actually really isolate the corners of your nose with it. And just because the rest of your finger is sticking up, it doesn't matter. Okay, now when you place your fingers in place, you lift your top lip. Now, as you can see, I'm just lifting my top lip, and that's all I'm doing. I'm not putting so much effort into it. And I know in the beginning, I think the very first video I did with this, I was putting a lot of effort into it, but you don't put that much effort into it. You just concentrate on the lower part of your face and lift the top lip. Now this exercise is to lift the nasolabial folds. It's not to operate these muscles here, which are the risorius and buccinata and other muscles, because if you do this exercise and you're going like that, for instance, like going E, E, clearly you can see the difference in the muscles, right? E. But when you're going this, you're lifting, and the energy is going upwards, not outwards. Because the levitator muscles are the ones that help smooth out the nasolabial folds, because they're connected all the way through. And then there's other muscles here, like the zygomaticus muscles, and they're connected to lift and smile. So they're like the smile muscles, right? And they're connected from up here. But this exercise, we want to get this area going. Okay, we want to get this area exercise for it. Okay? And by placing your fingers over your mouth like this, it isolates any wrinkles that people might have or any overhang that you might have from wrinkling from that area. So if you have a lot of wrinkles there, or if you have got a bit of sagginess, just hold it back with your fingers, okay, and lift. And the whole exercise is initiated from the sides of your nose, which are the levitators, and the depressor septi. We are not going this way, we're going upwards. And we're only moving those muscles. We don't do any of this with the top part. So we're not doing this. And if you find that you're doing that, what happens is that you're pushing too much effort into it. It will take a bit of time for you to work with it, and it will take you time to study it. So just go back and watch it a few times and you'll see what I mean. Now, the thing how to help you with the FACEROBICS program is if you subscribe to the channel, because if you subscribe, then you get all the updates, and then you're not confused about what's going on. Like when you first maybe see a video, you might think, oh, that's just one exercise, and you try to do it. But know that if you actually see a video that you're watching that I'm doing, it's generally, if it's an exercise video, it's always a part of a routine, a full face routine that you will find in the playlists. Okay, also remember to like my videos, I would really appreciate that. And also I do have a gym, and here is the link, just pop that into your browser. The link's also in the description box below, and have a look at that, it might be something you'd be interested in joining. Well, you guys have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye. By piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.